Yo, what's up, guys? So in this video, we're going to talk about 5 t-shirt ideas for Christmas.
All right, guys. So first idea. It's basically take your illustrations that you already have in your catalog, right? So if you have any chickens or if you have any ducks, right? You wrap them up, put some lights on them, put a Santa hat on them, like a Christmas tree kind of ordeal theme, right? That's very simple, very easy that you can do with your illustrations that you have. Yeah, that's one. Okay, so number 2, baking. Baking during Christmas is huge, right? So this is like it seems like people are buying multiple of these shirts, right? So Christmas cookies crew, Christmas cookie baking crew. Okay, cookie baking crew. There is some, and you can see what they're doing with the little elf right here. That's pretty cool. Anything related to do with cookies, gingerbread, any of that stuff is big around Christmas. So if you can find any ideas in here, this would be an awesome niche to attack right here. All right, so next one, the elf matching family tees right here. Okay, this is a freaking huge niche, right? Huge. There's a lot of competition, as you can see. Well, look, there's a ton of competition in here. But, right, if you can figure out a way where you can fit in here, right, you'll make a ton of sales, because you can see by looking at all these BSRs, okay, the BSR rankings, everything's pretty much crushing it. Look at this one, the game. So gamer too, like the gamer niche and Christmas is a big one too as well, because everyone wants the new gaming console, PS5, PS6, whatever it is, Xbox, all that stuff. So it's big when it comes to that. So cross nation with the gamer, so you can see right here, it's another idea, right? So cross nation with the gamer niche and Christmas, that's another idea. So, but as far as like the matching elves and all that stuff, it's a huge niche. As you go down, you can see a ton. Okay, there's a lot of competition, but if you can figure out a way to get in. All right, next one. Christmas 2020. It's a weird year, right? Crazy year. Weird. And you're going to see toilet paper. You're going to see masks, right? This is a niche that you can dive into, but it's crazy, because hopefully it only lasts for 1 year, because I don't want to be wearing a mask all the time or whatever, but I'm not going to get into that. As you can see, like maybe putting like a toilet paper up as a Christmas tree, call that a shirt. You can mess around with stuff like that, but you can see that it's obviously a different year this year compared to last year or any of the other years. So that's a new idea that you can dive into and go. As you can see, look at this Santa with the 2020 with the mask on. Look, it's crushing it. 20K BSR, right? So there's so many ideas that you can jump into that are new this year for Christmas 2020 compared to Christmas 2019, right? So there's an opportunity right here that you want to take advantage of and jump into. Also, too, as I'm scrolling down right here, you can see the Christmas tree. I've made several different designs like this. Your niche, and just putting it together like a Christmas tree right here with different graphics, different illustrations in there. Wrapping it up, put some lights on there too as well. That's another idea. So I'm kind of giving a few some different ideas in here, right? You can see the reindeer with the mask on right there. Let's go down to the next one. So Christmas and Santa too as well. You can see he's dabbing toilet paper. Anything with Santa and Christmas is huge too. This is a little of a bonus right here for you guys. Right here, this is another niche. Christmas and Santa, Merry Christ mask. So you can see as a hand sanitizer with the toilet paper in his hand. Anything related to Christmas is an opportunity for you to dive in. Hopefully you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll be making another video coming up pretty soon on how to make a Christmas listing, and we'll pick one of these t-shirt ideas that we researched. And if you guys want to put your input in, you want me to dive in deep in how I make a title for any one of these shirts, let me know down below in the comments. Enjoy.